Hey guys, it's Albert from Red Dragon Self Defense USA, and we're coming to you with a new topic today about one of our many classes, and it's the maintenance and care class. Now, for a lot of us, we grew up knowing how to do this. It was something that was taught to us from our grandfathers, our dads, uncles, whoever it was who really got us interested in firearms. For a lot of people, especially new firearm owners who are coming into it in their 20s, in their 30s, 40s, 50s, whatever the age, some people don't realize there's a lot of maintenance required in firearm ownership, that there's a lot of cleaning. And cleaning is so important in firearms to prevent jams, to prevent malfunctions. So we offer a class that helps go through all of that maintenance on your firearm, all of that cleaning. Now, we can come out, we can teach you how to use all of your materials to do that cleaning, and that's the easy part. But you might be saying, hey, I don't even know what I'm supposed to buy for my gun. I have X, Y, and Z firearm. What's the right stuff to get? How do I know it's the right stuff? Am I buying too much of it? That's not a problem. You can call us up and say, hey, I didn't know what I needed, and now I have this, and I don't know what to do. I don't know how to maintain it properly. That's not a problem. We can put together a custom package of equipment for you. We can make sure you have everything you need to maintain, clean, and protect your investment, and then teach you how to use it all at the same time. So not only do you have the right equipment, you have the right skill set on that tool belt of yours. And we always talk about that, going back to that tool belt, what it is you need to operate everything efficiently and, most importantly, safely. Because the worst thing is you pull out that firearm in a life or death situation and it jams up because you've been going to the range for the last year or two and not cleaning your firearm. And now there's a bunch of residue in there, or it hasn't been oiled, or 1,000 other little things that can be prevented with proper cleaning and maintenance. So we're here for you. We're here to help you with that. That's just one of our many classes, because the most important thing is we want you to be safe. So as always, God bless America, and unleash your inner dragon.